Okay. Gonna be riding around my bike. Oh, sprinklers are on. The fact I didn't use any special equipment to, oh shit, oh shoot. I didn't use any special equipment to like, there's teenagers, I don't care what they think. My brother's 21, so he could just cover me. But otherwise, I didn't use fancy equipment to record like I do have a GoPro, but I don't know how to set it up. So I just use the old-fashioned way, tape, and then film with my phone. Huh? No Caesars. Sorry, that's my dad. Anyways, that's right. Yeah. I did it. I'm recording.
That's awesome, dude.
Yeah. What happened? Okay. I'm gonna wait for you right here. But yeah. I'm gonna upload this to YouTube. I hope this gets millions of views. Actually, not thousands, because I'm a small content creator. So yeah. There's teenagers over there trying to be all cool stuff. No. I was just riding around saying that I didn't have to use any fancy equipment. But they're just trying to be a tough. Yeah, they're trying to be teeny tough knuckles. Teeny tough knuckles. Anyways, I don't care what they think. Go. But yeah, if this doesn't turn out to be a good video, because I'ma review it. So see if it turned out good. If it didn't turn out good, I might have to make another video, or just upload this and then make another one. Oh, there's my brother. I'm telling the teenagers. Aaron, there's some teenagers over there trying to be teeny tough knuckles. They're trying to be teeny tough knuckles. Yeah, look. They're just sitting at the bench trying to be all cool, teeny tough knuckles. Say hi. Okay, bro.
Let me drive it.
This?
Let me drive it bike.
Okay, drive it. And then I'm gonna. Don't mess it up, bro. Don't throw it away like your car.
Dang. I already broke it.
You did? Oh, it's like that. Yeah, just do it with your feet, bro. Oh, dang, it's done. You didn't know how to ride a bike? Dang, bro. Oh my god. Yeah! He hit my car, he can't leave. He hit my car on the highway and he can't leave. Do you want to come into the park?
No.
There's some literal teenagers trying to be like Timmy Tough Knuckles. Okay, cool. Excuse my brother for doing the middle finger to you guys. It's my fault. But otherwise, yeah. My fault for doing that. I told him to stop, but nah, he didn't stop. Bro, some teenagers trying to be Timmy Tough Knuckles over there, bro. There's some teenagers trying to be Timmy Tough Knuckles. Sorry, I almost fell. Anyways, I don't know why I do that. I almost fell. I mean, that's my dad. Oh, let's chill. I'm just excited to update you guys with my bike skills and L to them haters. L to them haters, bro. I don't care what they say, but L to them haters. Alright, after that car leaves over there that you see, I'm gonna go Super Saiyan mode, but that bush has like a long leaf. So what? I'm gonna be careful with that. And I also learned how to do a wonder now 2 days ago. There's some kids, teenagers over there trying to be teeny tough knuckles. Yeah, they're trying to be some teeny tough knuckles. 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 Sorry, I was singing my own song with the teeny tough knuckles. Yeah, I'll tell you a funny story. So this one kid at Peter Piper, bro literally tried to be like Timmy Tough Knuckles. Bro tried so hard. He was harassing me and my friend, bro. Like no cap. And he tried to act cool. He wasn't cool, bro. And yeah, he just tried to act like Timmy Tough Knuckles, saying, "Oh my God, Timmy Tough Knuckles over here." Let me see. Don't. Actually, yeah, just rip it off. I could just do one thing.
I'll put it inside.